Hi, it's Paul from Model Builder International. Today we're going to have a look at a new decal sheet from Iliad Designs. This is kind of new but also kind of old. It's an updated reprint of a popular one. Just watch the video, you'll see what I mean. This one's all about starfighters in combat in 1/48 scale. Okay, so let's have a look, see what's inside the bag. So obviously it's a resealable bag, and they turn up from the publisher in a cardboard envelope so they don't get bent. We have one sheet of paper, double-sided, and one decal sheet. So this is Iliad Design 1/48 Starfighters in Combat. Obviously F-104 Starfighters, basically quite a few different versions there. But this is sheet number F48020A. The A is because this is a reprint of 48020, except you've got an extra aircraft on here. The original 48020 had 6 Starfighters, this one has 7. The 7th one is this one here, that's the new one. So going through them, basically all these aircraft, as you say, they all have a history. That's probably the easiest way to describe them. So this one, an F-104A, Pakistan Air Force, shot down by a MiG-21. This was a Canadair built F-104G, shot down Chinese MiG-19. These two were F-104Cs, Southeast Asia camouflage obviously. These were used in flying into North Vietnam. This new one was shot down over Hainan Island by a Chinese MiG-19. That is an F-104C. An F-104A of the Pakistan Air Force, shot down an Indian Breguet Alis. And this one, a Turkish F-104G, unfortunately attacked a Turkish convoy, and 2 destroyers were damaged and 1 was sunk. So I'm guessing that was the end of somebody's flying career. So you'd have there's loads of F-104 kits out there. But you just need to make sure you got the right version. They give you little hints, like this one has RHAWS sensors fitted, front and back. Oh, but both of them actually. And they give you good notes on the colours, federal standards for the colours throughout, and other little bits that are idiosyncrasies of each individual aircraft, so you can get them pretty much spot on, even down to the odd lump and bump that was fitted to that particular aircraft. So that's all good. On the back, 6 aircraft here, because the 2 in the Southeast Asia scheme are obviously the same paint scheme. Close-up look of the sensors, back and the front, in case you want to make your own rather than finding some in aftermarket. Good details of the decal placement under and on top of the wings. So there's plenty there to go at. The camouflage schemes is a nice touch, so that's all good. Decal sheet itself is quite nice. Doesn't say who's printed them. I kind of suspect microscale, but I don't know. Basically there's no backing film, or just about see a tiny little bit of backing film around the squares, the decals, the main things. Obviously it's where the text is, there's backing film there to hold the text in line. And some interesting colours there as well. Basically you'd use the stencils from your donor kit and then use these decals to replace, as you say, the big decals in the kit. Overall, very nice. Each aircraft has a history. You can get a variety of F-104s out of this. Best place to get these is from the publisher themselves. Is it publisher or manufacturer for these? They sell them, I think it's $12 plus postage, coming from Ontario in Canada. Don't forget, we've got scans of the sheets of paper and the sheet on the website. I'll put the link underneath to the website and also a link underneath to the publisher's store as well. And a nice little set. Many thanks to Iliad Design for sending it along for us to have a look at.